Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this video trend, who is taken by the police, on TikTok. So if you want to create this video trend on who is taken by the police, so if you post a picture of maybe you and your friends or a family member and you want to see who is taken by the police, then let me show you how to create this video trend. So before we begin, you will need CapCut and we'll need an app called TikTok. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or App Store, so go ahead and search for it and download it. Once downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you're searching for the following account called Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. Now here, you want to go ahead and tap on this police filter here. Tap on this, and then you want to go ahead and tap on Try This Template. This will now take you into CapCut's template, which will show you the template which you're going to use. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Now go ahead and tap on Use AI Template. Now you want to go ahead and post a picture of yourself and some friends. Now go ahead and tap on Next. And now you want to let CapCut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it a few minutes. So there you go guys, that is how to use this filter, who will be arrested, on your photos in TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.